Okay, people, I'm just trying to give a quick video explaining the very basics of how to start using Actively Learn. We do have a PD scheduled, but I figured I might as well get us started. I started using it today. It seems pretty easy to use, but you know, we'll see. So if you were to type in, say, Actively Learn into the search bar into Google, it'll pop up that way. It's probably the easiest way to get started here. This is the website. So you can either sign in using Google. You should already have an account. If not, you can create an account using your SD account, and basically you'll be logged in. And the first thing I'll show you is how to set up your classes, and then second is how to post an assignment, and then third will be how to grade it. So first thing is how to set up your classes. If you click on the three thingies over here in the main menu, you'll see an opportunity to add a classroom right here. It should just pop up. I already have my classes added, but you could add a classroom this way, add a new class, click on that, and then you can import it right from Google Classroom. So even if you're using Canvas, the import Google Classroom will allow you to have a sys-based active roster. So it'll auto-import from your roster, and it refreshes over time, from what I've seen. So import courses from Google Classroom. It'll log you into Google maybe, but you would then select all the classrooms that you want to have in Actively Learn. So say I wanted to have the girls volleyball team in there to make sure they understand the articles about volleyball, whatever. You can click on that, and you can set the grade level and the content level, or the content, so which would be science. And then you have to select the school, which is Baldy. I don't think it makes a difference which one it is. So after you're done with that, that will pull in all your classes, and you'll see them over here. Not really important for right now. So that's how you get your classes in there, and it will have all your students with the active roster. You don't have to actually enter in any names at all. It just has that in there so that when your students are doing this, you can accurately grade them. And the second part would be, there's all sorts of other stuff here. You have curriculum units, topics, interactives, which are like, you can do simulations and news and articles. I'm just going to also show, like, they have NGSS summative assessments, so we have an ability to give assessments based on NGSS standards. These seem pretty nice. I had some kids try this out today. They liked it. You can assign PHE simulations where it steps it through them. It steps them through it, and all sorts of other stuff as well. For now, I'm just going to show you, say, collisions. So collisions is what we're studying right now. I just want to find something that's related to that for textbook selection. So that my students can get some proper grounding on that. So you click on this guy, and then this kind of shows you what you can do as a teacher. You can go through these, you can edit these questions, you can delete them if you don't like them or whatever it is. And then the more important thing right now is just the basics, which would be assigning it. So if you were to assign this, the students will get this. It basically has these before questions and then the multiple choice questions throughout. And like this one has a short answer stuff at the end of it. I want to assign this to my students. I'll go up here, assign, and then you pick the grade level. No, assign to, say I want to assign this to 704, 5, and 6. Assign. So what this does is it just basically, it'll generate a draft in your Google Classroom. So if you're using Google Classroom to do this, that's fine. Otherwise, it generates these links. So this is important. Say I wanted to assign this on Canvas to my section 704. I just copy and click that link. This link will take them directly into their assignment. And so it's not like they don't have a single sign-on option, but they can still click on that link that you post wherever you post your stuff, and then it'll take them right into the assignment. I'll just show you how to do that real quick. So say I'm going to take 704s. I'll go into Google Classroom for 704. And I will assign them. Classwork. See, this is where it generates a draft, which is kind of useless. All it is just that link there. But if you lose the link, at least you can copy it from there. I'm going to create an assignment, probably like Actively Learn. Collisions. Transfer energy. Blah, 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 blah. And then I can put the link in here, like that. So that'll take them directly to their article that they have to read. And that's basically as simple as it is. So I posted it this morning for students. They just click on that link. It says, you know, sign in with Google, and then they do the article, and it automatically gets uploaded. I'll show you what that looks like on our end. So for our end, if I wanted to go back and grade their work now, I could click on the main menu, and then click on their class. And then if I wanted to grade them, I could even look at specific student data. This is bad because I accidentally, here we go, student data, which gives their grades for each student if you wanted to, and actually gives them a lot of good information about specific students, which, you know, you can look at that. It does a lot of analysis for you. I don't think it has the instructional reading level, but it'll analyze all their stuff for you and tell you recommendations based on that. The more specific to, or more quick stuff we need to know is like how to grade this thing. So you can look into the grade book, and if it's all multiple choice, it'll just automatically grade it for you. If you have an open-ended response in there, it will also grade it once you graded their response. And so you can just basically go down this list and then take that grade, and however you want to norm it, put that grade into gradebook based on this. So that's how you grade their assignment after it's done. And you get to see the averages and all that other stuff as well. So that's it. Any other things, if you have any questions about what I showed, if you can always email me or just ask me to come over, I could explain it that way. That's about it. All right, people. Good luck. Oh, actually, one more thing I'll show you is that if you have like students that need modifications, you can go into the roster and just click extra help, and it automatically reduces choice from 4 to 3 or 3 to 2, and then it also adds more notes to help out the student along the way to explain things and gives them more options for getting help. That's about all I know at this point. So peace.